Guys, you know what? I want to feed this cow water. As you can see, this is water. It's a literal video. Then you can see I need to clean here. And then guys, if I see the spade, I'm gonna remove this waste. If I will see the spade, I'm gonna remove this waste so that the cowboy man can come and sweep if he can. Wait guys, it can knock me. Wait guys, let me put for it for Napier glass because it looks so hungry. Others are here. You can see these are the slaughter cows. You can look even the horns. There's another one here. That one came from this one. I think we decided to stay this one so that it can look for itself. It's a male. That's why. These ones are females. You can see these are females, but there's no milk. Baby. Guys, let's walk a little bit. Let me see if there is. Let me put it for that. Let me put this one so that it can't disturb. Okay. Wait, stop. It's so hungry. It's so hungry. And I don't have time for cutting it right now because the Shamba boy, this is his work. He's paid, but no one can tell him to come and give the cow the feed. He's so selfish and so bad, but don't worry, I think of even me firing him. But now I don't know where he have gone. He has the bike. I don't know, he have gone to look for just beer in the morning. I don't know. I told him when he come to pour these things here, he's employed by my mother. He is employed by my mother. When he comes here, she come and throw the waste here before slashing, even if it's like 2 kg, it's good. Then a minimum of this bucket, then throw it inside. What guys? Then guys, let me first say, guys, please subscribe, like, share. Okay, then guys, let me clean the cow dung for Arito. Guys, I'm trying to post a video so that I can catch up. It's been a long time. The English is over. You can hear I'm talking, but guys, don't worry, let me clean the cow dung very fast, then we enjoy. Okay, guys, something like this, you need to throw it so that a cow can't eat it. Okay, This is a cow dung, okay, but it is good for fertilizing your shamba. As you can smell, smell bad, but it's a cow, it's an animal, okay, it's not a human, okay, but a cow can feel bad when a human smell. A new way for recording. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, okay, and everything is always perfect, having a vibe street and showing you about your lifestyle and the village routine. Okay, let's enjoy. Let's take the cow pro. Tamaringo. This cow has a lot of flossing. But guys, let's end our video there and enjoy the vibe, okay?